If you use hosting a webmail, creating a signature is one of the easiest ways to make your emails look more professional and consistent. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a signature in hosting a webmail step by step so you can add your name, business details, contact information, or even a short branding message to every email you send. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, open Webmail. This is where you'll manage your email directly from Hostinger. After Webmail loads, look for the settings icon, which is usually shown as a gear symbol. Click that to open your email settings. Now, from the settings menu, click All Settings. This will take you to the full configuration area where you can change different parts of your webmail experience. On the left-hand menu, look for Signature and click it. This is the section where Hostinger lets you create and manage your email signatures. Next, click Add New. This starts the process of creating a fresh signature. You'll be asked to enter a signature name first. This name is mainly for your own organization, so you can label it something like main signature, business signature, or personal signature, depending on how you want to use it. After that, type your signature content into the editor. This is the actual text that will appear at the bottom of your emails. You can include your full name, job title, company name, website, phone number, email address, or any other details you want recipients to see. If you want, you can keep it simple and clean, or make it more branded and detailed depending on your style. Take a moment to review the layout and make sure everything looks the way you want it. A good signature should be easy to read, professional, and not too crowded. If you're using it for business, keep it polished and focused. If it's for personal use, you can make it a little more casual while still keeping it clear. Once you're happy with the design and wording, click Save. That's it. Your new signature is now created in Hostinger Webmail and ready to use in your emails. Depending on your settings, you may also be able to select this signature as the default for new messages or replies, so make sure to check that if you want it applied automatically. And that's how you create a signature in Hostinger Webmail in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.